Hi friends, welcome back. So, as already mentioned in the previous video, now we are going to discuss about speed and velocity. So, what does speed mean? We will derive its meaning through a few examples. So, for example, have you ever seen a small meter in vehicles while you are traveling? You must have seen that. So, that is called a speedometer. It measures the speed at which you are traveling. See, and at the bottom, let us suppose this is a speedometer with 10, 20, 30, so on. Here, a small box will be there. This tells us how much distance you have traveled when you bought the vehicle. From here, there will be small letters telling km by hr. See, what does this mean? This means kilometers you are traveling for 1 hour. For example, when you are traveling at 10 km per hour, it means you are traveling 10 kilometers in 1 hour. And 20 kilometers, 2 hours, and so on. What happens? What does it mean when you are traveling at 80 kilometers per hour? It means you are traveling 80 kilometers in 1 hour. And 160 kilometers, 2 hours, like that, so on. So, what does this mean? Speed is, we can define it as distance traveled per unit time. Speed is defined as distance traveled per unit time. So the SI unit of speed is kilometer per hour. Sorry, meter per second. It's meter per second. It's meter per second. The SI unit of distance is meters and for time is second. So the SI unit of speed, yes, is meter per second. So speed is distance per time. Distance, as I already told, is a scalar quantity. And speed is also a scalar quantity. Because as distance is scalar, speed is also scalar. So, speed has magnitude but no direction. See, distance, displacement, and speed, can you guess it? Yes, velocity. Now compare these properties. Distance is scalar, displacement is vector. Speed is scalar, distance by time, and can you guess velocity? Yes, velocity is defined as displacement per unit time. So, displacement per unit time. Velocity is represented by v and an arrow. See, displacement is a vector quantity. It has magnitude as well as direction. So when we speak about velocity, we will write it or speak it as a car moving with velocity 20 meters per second towards north, towards south. This thing has direction. As displacement is vector, velocity is also vector. This is the relationship between distance, displacement, and speed and velocity. So there is some relationship between this speed and velocity. We can write speed as distance per time. By using this formula, we can find speed. So how can we find distance? In order to find distance, we can do the cross multiplication and we can do distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Or in order to find time, we can switch these two and we can write time is equal to distance by speed. And for the velocity, we can write v instead of s, and it is same. So this is the relationship between distance, time and speed, and displacement, velocity and time. And in this video we have learned about speed, velocity, and in the next video we will learn about acceleration, and if possible we will discuss about graphs of speed and velocity. Thank you.